This video is going to show you about a special feature that allows you to analyze just your previous sessions and get feedback on those. We'll go ahead and utilize our default coach. And if we scroll down next to where it says Get Coaching Feedback, there's a button that says Ask About Past Sessions. Now, if I just click on that, I'm going to get a pop-up message basically saying, hey, you need to ask a question. So I'm just going to copy one of these questions and paste it into what I would need help with today. So I'll just paste that in here. What mistakes do I keep making? That's all I need to do now. So I could ask any question that I want, but rather than getting new coaching feedback and uploading a new file, it is just going to look at your past sessions when you click on this button that says Ask About Past Sessions. It takes a moment, obviously, to go through your past sessions. And what it will do is it will reflect on your journey so far. Answer is actually based on the 5 past sessions. And you can see that our coach is giving us information based upon session history and a few recurring areas of improvement. So he highlights these things. And of course, it gives us a notice that says, hey, this is based upon your past sessions. If you want new coaching advice, use the Provide Feedback button. So this is just another way that you can actually make your replicator be more useful for ongoing sessions. If we jump over to the My Sessions tab, we'll notice that the Ask About Past Sessions, that the new advice that it just gave is not recorded as a new session because it is simply reflecting upon information from the previous number of sessions that were called upon.